Just a quick video to share with you some of the progress I made this weekend. I wanted to rearrange the living room a little bit differently. So basically everything just kind of moved around to the opposite side. The chairs went to the opposite side. The console went to the opposite side. But the couch, well, you'll see what I did with it. I start by removing the items off of the coffee table. As long as it's not going to cause an accident, I love decorating from the floor up. And the landing on our stairs has just enough of a corner for these beautiful ginger jars and the amazing sunlight. We do consider ourselves empty nesters over here. I thought the traffic pattern would be this, but our youngest son made it this most of the time. This is a Hurricane custom folio. I found this piece in an antique shop. These chairs were gifted. You know, I did the upholstery myself. And my couch, I consider it to be an investment piece. Look there, this is just enough room to create a little chase on the corner of the couch. That's one of the advantages of having a round coffee table. Yes, throws add texture, but during the summer and spring, I like to tuck those heavier ones away and bring out a little bit lighter throw. And as you can see here, we're still bringing in texture. Thank you all so much for following me in my Amazon boutique. The link is in the description box of this video. I'm still adding merchandise and it's also based upon your style and mine. Now, I'm now more inclined to have a coffee table book that I want to pick up and read. I am lowering the height of the vignettes on the coffee table. Let's go for conversation zones. We're facing each other now. I'll be adding a little bit more to the table a little bit later. Chinoiserie just complements absolutely everything in my world. We go through progressive stages in our decorating style, and right now I'm going backwards with that Ralph Lauren vibe where he mixed in animal prints, textures, patterns galore. So I'm feeling more of an eclectic, global, coastal kind of vibe coming on in this space, which means I have to update two pieces of artwork. The one above the console and the artwork that is in the foyer. Hi, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Just wanted to pop on to say if you've not already subscribed to this channel, do so right now and press the bell. That way you don't miss a single video. Now, since I was humming while I was moving the furniture, I went ahead and gave my two new additions, my two plants, a bath, and they absolutely loved it. The one on the left is Mercy. The one on the right is called Grace. Mercy and Grace. I love beautiful drapes. I have purchased several pairs, but for some reason, I am just not excited about hanging drapes in this space right now. I am enjoying that subtle sunlight coming in. And this is my spot in the afternoon. It's just my spot, guys. I absolutely love being in this space. We used a service a couple of years ago called Tint Pro. They came in and they tinted this window. I will link that video so you can see how it's done. I would have done it, but I'm not climbing up that high. So the other projects from this weekend, hubby also pressure washed the patio. He did an amazing job. He even pressure washed the drop cloth curtains to the point that they look brand new again. I'm serious. I'll just have to replace one of them. Our outdoor cushions are outside all year long. They're only brought in for about 6 weeks when the pollen starts to show up, and then they're put back out. Well, that's it for me, guys. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative. So, what did you do this past weekend?